Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Dillards credit card account online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box that appears at the top of the screen, type in dillards.myonlineresourcecenter.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the login area for your Dillards card services. If you are an existing user, then you can simply enter your user ID and your password to sign into your account right under Existing User category. With your Dillards credit card service, you can pay your Dillards card bill online, update personal information, switch to paperless statements, and much more. Go ahead and quickly type in your username into the user ID text box if you want to log into an existing account. Make sure to type in your information correct. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in your password correct as well. You can double check your password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password and you don't know what to do next, click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after typing in your credential correct and you're ready to log into your Dillards credit card account, click on Sign On button. That is it, you'll be able to log into your Dillards credit card service right away using your computer, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.